Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the reply on Instagram message. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So for some reason this might not be working. So what this is, if you head to Instagram and go to your messages on the top right and click on anybody's profile, you won't be able to send any kind of messages back to this person. In order to fix this, there's a couple things you could do. The first thing you could do is go to the App Store or Google Play Store and you want to search for Instagram. You're checking to see if it needs an update. It does not right now. As you can see, Snapchat does, but Instagram does not. If it did, just make sure to update it, and this could fix the problem. Another thing you can do is hop out of here, go to Settings. You then want to scroll down to General. Click on iPhone Storage. You don't want to wait for it to load. And once it is done loading, you want to find the Instagram app. I'll go ahead and search it from the top right. Once you found the app, you then need to offload the app. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app. It keeps its documents and data, so you don't got to worry about any of your data disappearing on the app. Once you're done offloading, you then want to reinstall the app. After that, you'd probably want to clear Instagram, open it back up, and see whether or not you can reply to this certain person. And these are just a couple of methods that should fix it, so I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I could not do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.